Good morning. Welcome to Japan. This is one of my last trips here as crew, as we are pulling out of the route, unfortunately. Anyway, this morning I caught a couple of trains, so I go watch sunrise over the water down there. It's quite pretty. So what we're doing today, I've got a few things I want to get ticked off. Got some shopping to do and some cool sights to go see. So come along with me as I have the next 12 hours of exploring the town. It's like 1 degree here. Very nice. Alright, join me and enjoy this beautiful day in Tokyo. So I'm walking now to my next form of transportation because I like trains, so I definitely like Tokyo. This next spot, after that electric railway this morning, I'm going to the hanging monorail, which would be pretty cool because some of them have see-through floors. So let's make our way there now and check it out. It's going to take me an hour and a half to get back into the city. Well worth it, I say. Alright, we've made it to our next destination, which is Bon Voyage at the Tokyo Disneyland Park. I'm literally just here to buy some merchandise. I'm not going into the park today. That's it. Let's go get some Disney merch, because we can. And it's so much cheaper here than it is over in the States. Okay. Got a few little things in here. I'm not going to reveal them because some people that may be watching this may have some items in here and I don't want them to know about it yet. But cute. We're going to head over to Tokyo's version of Downtown Disney now, which is that way. And just have a quick little look around there before we head into the main part of the city for, I guess, breakfast. Yeah, let's do it. I had to make a quick detour to the Krispy Kremes for their creme brulee donut with custard inside. It is phenomenal. If you've never had one, get yourself one. There wasn't too much else in the Downtown Disney I wanted to really see here. So we're going to head now into the next spot. Let me just check my map, hold on. Alright, we're going to go to the Coco Curry House, but we're going to take the train there because then it's close to this little train general store I want to visit. So hey, more trains. It's very noisy here. We are here at Coco Curry. Let's go in and enjoy a great Japanese curry. It's like a fast food curry. Yeah, let's do it. Lunch, I guess, sorted. Then we're going to head to a place called the Rail Yard General Store, which is essentially all things to do with trains. As you can gather, I like trains. Yeah, look, there wasn't really anything in there I wanted. A lot smaller than I thought it was going to be, and a lot more expensive. It's a dessert. I've been standing here for about an hour now, and I've gotten so close to getting the shot, but I just cannot get all three trains to line up at once. I got to call it soon and go get some more food. Obviously I got distracted on my way to getting dessert. Alright, that last shot there is probably going to be my closest I can get. I was so close. Yeah, we're going to head back to finding dessert. No, not actually. We're going to go back to Kawasaki. We are back in Kawasaki. Busy, busy, busy. We're going to get some sushi. So we'll go to a sushi train style sushi. I think it's in. Yes.
Please, if you are sat, please go to the seat indicated by the number.
$1. Candied sweet potatoes. %, battery left, so let's finish this tower of onions and we'll head to the next place. Alright, so there's very delicious sushi and other fried items. Going to go down, do a little bit of shopping before getting 2 more snacks and we'll call it a day. Right, that is the end of this adventure today here in Tokyo. I'm going to go and soak these sore feet before I go to fly home. However, you know what I forgot? All this talk, I still forgot to get dessert. So, let's do that and call it the end.